Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could completely change your life? Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me because I'm about to challenge you to a 30-day transformation that could literally reset your mindset, habits, and energy. If you've ever felt stuck, unmotivated, or just lost your spark, this is your sign. Let's make the next 30 days the turning point of your life. Section 1, the challenge overview. Here's the deal, this challenge isn't about becoming perfect. It's about becoming better than yesterday. We are going to focus on 5 key areas that can transform your life. 1. Mindset, reprogram how you think. 2. Body, move every single day. 3. Habits, build routines that last. 4. Learning, grow your knowledge. 5. Gratitude, appreciate what you already have. Simple, but by day 30, you'll feel unstoppable. Section 2, the daily system. Here's how it works. Every day for 30 days, you'll commit to these 5 steps. 1. 10 minutes of movement, doesn't matter what it is, walk, stretch, dance, or lift. Just move. 2. 10 minutes of learning, read, watch a TED Talk, listen to a podcast, feed your brain. 3. 5 minutes of gratitude, write down 3 things you are thankful for, no matter how small. 4. 1 powerful affirmation, say it out loud. Believe it. Example, I am capable of changing my life. 5. No excuses. That's the rule. If you miss a day, restart the clock. Section 3, real talk. You are going to want to quit. Around day 7, your brain will say, what's the point? But that's when transformation actually begins. Because every time you push through that resistance, you are literally rewiring your mind for success. Don't chase perfection. Chase progress. Remember, small steps every day lead to massive change. Section 4, the 30-day plan. Here's your roadmap. Days 1 to 10, build the foundation, focus on showing up daily. Days 11 to 20, start leveling up. Increase intensity and add mini goals. Days 21 to 30, master consistency, push harder and reflect on how far you've come. By the end, you'll notice better focus, more energy, stronger discipline, a new level of confidence. Alright, the challenge starts today. Comment below I'm in if you are joining the 30-day life transformation challenge. I'll be checking in with you every week. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon.